Our Fiat camper van is broken, so we have no choice but to go to Sprinter store. So today is a déjà vu day. We finally got our CPU computer part at the Fiat service. So we are going to go there and the guy will fix it, or at least fingers crossed he will fix it so we can continue our journey. The place was really silent. This is dead end street, so there's no traffic going by. Let's go to the coffee. It's the D-Day, it's a déjà vu day, but we are getting fixed. Our dear home! Vandal is going to get his CPU computer new and fresh so we can start traveling again. So we are heading to the Malaga Fiat service. Really early in the morning. We are excited.
I'm so slow to wake up. It's eyes like bing!
Active!
Active from the morning.
Pump it up! No slacking in my camper van! You are all equally worthless here. Get your butts up and let's go!
We just actually dropped our van to the Fiat service, and again we are here in Powerhouse to spend the time that they are fixing our van. There is one another thing breaking in our van. Of course, we have old van already, so the AC fan in front of the van is making clack 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 noise. Yeah. So we don't know if there's it's the bearings or is there something else broken. But they will also check that.
Yeah, and hopefully change it if they have it on the stock.
Yeah, it should be like a
wearing part
and stock part.
Yeah.
Because we are in hot climate, so those fans will spin a lot compared to Finland, where they don't need to spin.
Let's hope they will fix them.
Yeah.
Otherwise we have to wait for the spare part once again, and
I don't know if we stay here for that long. But yeah, somebody commented that all the garages are scamming people.
Yeah, and they are scamming us.
No, they are not scamming us.
We trust these guys.
Yes, because they are charging just 1.5 hours for the work, and the spare part is good priced, and that computer is what they are changing. It's probably smashed, because if there's some water damage and it's not fused as in electrical diagrams, it will break the computer. Design flaw.
Yeah.
But yeah.
We are really glad that we got the time in Fiat service, so this doesn't bother us at all that we have to spend a day here.
Okay, we could get the reputed garage that is not Fiat, 55 euros per hour, and random garage for 35 to 45 euros.
Yeah, so this is expensive side.
We have been so lucky with the Fiat van, but it hasn't broken in the past 6 years or 7. It's a 7-year-old van. So if we need to now pay somebody bit over 50 euros extra compared to random garage in somewhere there on the outskirts of the town, we are happy to pay that.
Yeah, and we love our van, and it has been a good ride, so we are not hating the Fiat, and we are not going to change our van.
No.
This is just a small delay.
Yes, we love Fiat, and it's really
cheap,
good van,
reliable, and all the spare parts, all of them are really cheap compared to Mercedes example.
Yes, we had the Mercedes, and the spare parts were
whoa.
Yes, but let's go Bauhaus to do some shopping.
We are going to buy a plastic collapsible basket where we can store our extra food. because when we go to the grocery store hall and buy week's worth of food, they cannot fit in the lockers inside of the van or fridge, so we need spare basket. And we have been discussing this issue for few years, I think, because Jani wants to store everything inside of the cupboards and nothing laying in the ground. And now we have a compromise solution. It's a neat basket where everything extra goes. And I took the measurements, so it cannot be over 35 centimeters long. And it should be cheap, so under €5. Please don't come to our casa. Groundhog Day continues. We are waiting for the Fiat guy to give us a text message. It's sunny, we have a water, we have a toilet in a Bauhaus, so no worry in the world. I will show you what we bought from Bauhaus. This collapsible basket. How cool is this? I hope it lasts for a long time. Then we bought the tape so we can fix the leaking issue from the windshield of our van. Our Fiat camper van is broken, so we have no choice but to go to Sprinter store.
No new trunks, but new t-shirts. Yes, I bought 3 of 3 shirts from the Sprinter. Yeah, so trunks or boxers were €12 per piece.
What?
So I'm not buying €12 boxers.
Jani's butt is not that expensive.
Yes, I bought nice t-shirts.
Colorful. Going to big city means always a lot of money spending, so that's why we enjoy being more into nature, because there's no stores or anything.
The ECU is changed and it's fixed. Pretty bonus, we have airbags and seat belts working. Another thing, actually when we were driving, our AC rotor started to make noise. So there was bearings that got broken, and it's almost summer, so we need to get it fixed right away. And luckily they have the radiator or the fan system whole thing in stock, and they can change it today. So we're gonna go outside and wait until 6 PM and we have our van ready with the fixed AC. Yeah, it was making a whole lot of noise, like when we were driving and we had the AC on. This is good, pretty good service. So we are taking water with us, some snacks, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna go somewhere. Van is fixed.
Water relief.
Water relief. We went to the shop at 9 AM and got out from there 6 PM. They fixed the airbags situation, and also they fixed the air conditioned fan on condensator on the front of the van. So both of them are fixed. They charge us 4 hours of work plus the parts. Parts were basically same price as you could get the cheapest from the internet OEM parts. Of course there's always alternatives which are much more cheaper. Yeah, bit pricey, but when it's coming like electrical problems in the van, I usually go with the dealer. And when it's like brakes or wheel bearings or something like really normal thing that always breaks in a van, then I can go in a random garage. And when we are in Spain, mañana is really a thing in here, so they do everything to do tomorrow. So again, dealer made our day by fixing the van in the same day that they got the order. So for the work part it was 4 hours, 70 euros, so it's 280 euros for work. In a random garage it would be something around 160 euros. So 100 more to go to the dealer. The parts total was 610 euros. And I found from the internet the cheapest prices were like 604 euros. So it was good priced for the OEM parts. This comes on the road all the time when our van gets older and older. But yeah, it's life. So I have to say thank you for everyone donating to our PayPal or being our member on YouTube. Skål!
In Spain you can be naked everywhere you want to. It's totally